In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable vibration on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Settings and then scroll down to Accessibility. After that, get into Touch and then scroll down a bit until you find vibration. So guys, first of all, you need to activate that option by toggling on this toggle switcher. After that, if we go back to Settings and get into Sounds and Haptics, we'll be able to configure vibration for these types of notifications such as ringtone, text tone, and others. To do that, let's say I would like to change vibration settings for the ringtone. I'm gonna tap on it. If you have several SIM cards installed in your device, first off you need to choose a SIM card. And then if you scroll down to the very top of this page, right over here, you will find haptics. If you get into haptics, you will be able to choose different vibration pattern. If you take your device in hand and if you choose patterns from that list, you will feel the difference, because when we select a pattern, our phone vibrates. Also, we can here create new vibration to create our own vibration pattern. The same about configuring vibration patterns for each of these options. However, we get more settings here. First off, we can enable or disable keyboard feedback if we get into it. That's where we can turn on or off haptic feedback for our keyboard. Also in here we can activate keyboard sound feedback. And then down below here we can activate or deactivate system haptics. This feature works with some system notifications, and I recommend you to always keep this enabled. Basically, guys, that's all about how to enable vibration on an iPhone, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.